Have you ever wanted to create your own anime character and animate it realistically like this one? Well, today, we're going to do just that. Hi, I'm Ami, and welcome to my channel, Ami AI. Let's dive right into it. First things first, to animate a character, you need to have one. We can easily create one using Lexica. Open Lexica, search for your desired anime character, or use the generate feature to create a new one. Once you have your character, we're ready to move on to the next step. Just search for hedra.com on your browser. You'll be taken to a page where we can start animating. Here are the steps. Script box. In the first box, enter your script. This is what your character will say. Voice selection. Choose a relevant voice for your character from the available options. Character upload. In the second box, upload the character image you got from Lexica. Once you've done all that, click Generate in the third box. It may take some time, but once it's done, you'll see the animated video in the third box. If you like the animation, click the download button below the generated video. Now you can use your animated character anywhere you want. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Goodbye and happy creating!